Now we have an arrangement here using gypsophila, leather fern and roses. This has been placed stem by stem naturally into a glass vase. The peak or highest section is actually to the centre and it comes down in gradual steps. Now the gypsophila as a filling medium is also higher to the centre and this comes down in steps, and to allow a skirt of foliage and also a form of cascade so that we're coming outwardly, slightly downward, we have the leather fern all the way around. Now what's the secret to success with this? Every flower is placed individually so that the flowers are not together, they're not against one another, they're placed allowing for the blooms to open in their own area within the arrangement. So this is a key component to successful arranging.